When you met Possum, didn't think you'd hate him. Then I came home and I saw that you'd hate him. Nothing to fret about, how I envy thee, swimming all day and living carefree. Tony, you tell me to come back. Tony, I miss you and I won't step on your side. Tony, you see me, everything that I do. Tony, I'll never forget about you. When you get tired, settle in for a nap. Roger wakes up and stirs up all the crap. When you get hungry, just a little bit ill, that's when Tony will come in for the kill. Tony, you tell me to come back. Tony, I miss you and I won't step on your side. Tony, you see me, everything that I do. Tony, I'll never forget about you. Isn't it funny when you think about it, how I need you and you need someone else? Perhaps I still grieve